I am a chemist and I have a lot of experience in the chemical industry. I was fortunate to have experience in different fields like R&D, human resources, manufacturing, business management, plant management. And finally, I was CEO and chairman of Adiseo. And also I have the opportunity to work in different fields like silicones, polyurethanes, and inorganic chemistry and others. Actually, the first is to me it was really an opportunity to discover a new business and a very different business, and it was the first time I had the opportunity to work in the life science industry. I was surprised by the R&D field because in chemical industry you must focus on the chemical processes, and in Adiseo, previously animal nutrition, we had to develop different expertise, and especially the expertise in the animal nutrition, which was very different from the chemical processes development. But Pierre-André, if you remember well, at that time it was a tough time for the company because we were facing a very fierce new competition, especially with the arrival of newcomers, and especially in the vitamin business. And the company was really in a transformation time. And to me, it's really exciting to be part of this project. Actually, globally speaking, the company launched a more global project at that time. It was a Renaissance project, and we decided to improve the efficiency of all the support functions and departments in order to create value for new development for the company. And we focus on new products, and at that time we launched the Raw Bio, the MetaSmart products, and other services like NIR and IR for the customers. But back to methionine, I would say it was amazing to have such a product, which is really an outstanding product, because we have a molecule which is transformed in the body of the animal, and coming finally the product needed by the animal, the L-methionine. Actually, methionine is really a very attractive product and very attractive market, because over the years methionine has become the mandatory additive for all the farm animals all over the world. And so we had 5% on average growth by year for many years, and it's planned to continue in the next decade. So it's really an outstanding product. But actually, when I looked at the company and the field in where we were in the food chain, to me safety was really the top priority, because as you said, and I will comment on that, we use very hazardous products for the synthesis of methionine. But on top of that, we are part of the food chain, and it's our responsibility to make the food very safe. So on different topics, it's very important. Safety is really the key priority to protect people, to protect the equipment, and to protect the environment. It's really complementary, because the practices are the same regarding the product safety, the process safety, and the protection of the environment. So it's really the same philosophy, and it's why I really focus on what I call the global safety. It's really amazing that the hydroxy analog or the DL-methionine in that requested product by the animal. But actually, there is a transformation in the body of the animal, and the two products are transformed in L-methionine in the stomach of the animal, and that has the same effect that the L-methionine. That's really an outstanding fact. And so for us it was very important to convince all the customers of these transformations within the body of the animal. And we made some real progress, and now I think all the customers worldwide are convinced that hydroxy analog is totally equivalent to the L-methionine. We are now able to sell the product in all the countries, and I'm quite sure that in the future it will be the most important part of the market, the hydroxy analog. I think that all the newcomers are coming with the chemical process, but most of the leaders are looking for biotechnical processes for methionine. But the issue is really the efficiency of the technology process, because the yield is not as good as it is in the chemical process, and the use of the byproducts of the biotech process are a key point to develop in the future.